No te tau ko mahiwake nei ka hinga Sir Bob Gillies te mōrehu whakamutunga o te rua te kau mā waru. E kei reiro oku whakaaru i te rā nei, kua ngaro te mōrehu whakamutunga, kua aha te kaupapa, me pēhea e toi tūtunu ai te kaupapa, me pēhea e te kaupapa e maumahara tia toru tia e ngā uri muri mai nei.
In front of the meeting house are the photos of comrades who fell in battle. They will never return, but their memory will be cherished forever in the history of their race.
They were called the Ngā Tamatua Atu Matauenga. They were Te Whakahere Nui, which was the great sacrifice. Koro always said Momo was a waste.
When we initially started writing up in Auckland, we had Jeremy with us, who was translating, and he brought up some stories about Korobom. I guess we started there. We started right in the midst of a soldier.
Ko Nico tōku ingoa. I am a 17-year-old singer-songwriter. Korobom and my koro Henry were both in the same battalion. I was really fortunate to have Kings as our producer and Jeremy as our mātanga reo. We all kind of brought a different view to the table when we were in the creating process.
He said that if he knew then what he knows now, he wouldn't have gone. It was a waste. Just trying to think how I would feel if that was me. Let's say we all went to war for the country, and then 80 years later they're trying to dismantle the treaty. Tuatahi rā, he whakaaro ki te maumau nui, ne, engari rātau I haere nei I runga I te whakapono ki tēnei whenua, ki te kingi o tēnei whenua. Ana, ka hoki mai nei rātau I te pakanga, ka whakateina tonu hi a rātau I runga I tō rātau whenua, he maumau tā rātau haere. Me he mea ia I mōhio, ka pēnei tonu te takahia o te iwi Māori, kua kore ia e haere ki te pakanga.
That was us.
A lot of the delay came from me. I spoke to the team, everyone, I emailed them, I was like, it's not feeling right. Something's not feeling right. Just felt like it wasn't delivering the message that we were trying to achieve. And so I sat on it for a while, and that's kind of my process is when I'm lost, I sit still and I let it tell me what to do.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Good.
Te mana me te wehi, and you still want them in that V shape?
Yeah, bro, that same as long as they're kind of in vicinity.
Yeah, one, yeah.
Today we've got Ngāti Whakaue coming in, who just finished their stint at Te Matatini, and now they're coming to bless us with their voices and their talent on the song. So do you want to go from that whole second verse up to there, or do you want to keep that?
Yes, please. No, this is still Nico's.
The ingredients were there. The cake just wasn't right, and now I feel like the cake's spot on.
He whakatakoto I etahi mea hei whakaro mā te iwi Māori, mā ngā mokopuna, kia mōhio ai ngā mokopuna. Mei kore ake te rua te kau mā waru, e ora nei tātou I tēnei rā.
I think where we're at now is special.
You know, they went over there to fight not only for their country but for their people.
Ka mutu, he wero tonu I te iwi Māori, tātou e pakanga tonu nei. Arā te tauira kua takoto I a rātou, I maumau rānei. I maumau rānei, tō rātou mate ki te pō, tā rātou haere ki rā wāhi. Kei te whaihua rānei.
I would hope that people go away really having let that sink in. To not let their fight be a waste. We have to fight.
Do we stand undefeated more and more? Do we stand on our own more and more? home, my